Alright, welcome back again dito po sa aking vlog. So, we are still here in Hong Kong Zoological and Botanical Garden. So, as you can see guys, sa Botanical ay mayroong small kiosk na pwede kang kapag gusto mong kumain something o mga dessert or whatever. So, kapag nauhaw ka, you can buy here. Parang nag-iisa lang tong kiosk dito. So, after that, kung nakabili ka, pwede kang mag-stay a while sa labas at mag-sightseeing sa surrounding ng Botanical Garden. Super cool at that na ginawa ko. At syempre, dahil gutom na tayo sa kaiikot, napagod na uhaw. So, yan. I was trying to take something to eat first na bago. Kasi ang lawak nga dito, 5.6 hectares. So, ang lawak talaga. Kasi, after that, iikot tayo, pupunta tayo sa itaas para makita naman natin yung part ng zoological dito. Alam natin sa una pa lang, binanggit ko ulit ito, the part was previously named Bing Tao Fayin. So, ibig sabihin, the head of the soldiers of the Commander-in-Chief. So, according to Hong Kong Leisure and Cultural Services Department. So, it was nicknamed as such by the city's Cantonese community as it was the former site of the city's government house. So, yan po, ang kanilang tawag dito for Chinese. So, the head of the soldier. So, dahil head of the soldier, siguro ginamit ito noong 1831 hanggang sa kalusukuyan. So, that founder of the garden company, So Limited, discussed at the Hong Kong Zoological and Botanical Gardens and came up with the idea of starting company, and therefore it was named after garden and its Cantonese transliterations garden. So it was that part was closed from 1931 to 1933 to allow to the constructions of reservoir under the park. So wow, grabe, ang tagal pa lang naka-close ito noong 1931, so 1933, but syempre year to year nagdagdag ng mga inilalagay. So of course, at the past, many world famous people visited the park under the name of wildlife fan, such as Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh noong 1983 and Princess Anne of England noong 1988. So, yun naman pala pagkatapos ng mahabang panahon, so construct ulit itong part ng zoological. So, kaya meron siyang may mga prince and princess na dumalo dito dahil as you can see guys, na makikita lang naman yung ganitong parte or ganitong kagandang park. Siyempre sa party ng Europe, especially sa United Kingdom or London. So, dahil nga British po ang nag-handle nito within 43 or 45 years. So, kaya yung constructions ay nahahalin tulad sa Edinburgh or nahahalin tulad talaga sa Europe part from London. So, syempre meron po sila dyang makikita rin sa gitna na may hagdan dyan sa gitna ng statue ni King George VI. So, at the southern entrance na may hagdan-hagdan dyan. So, the gardens at Upper Albert Road is the Chinese War Memorial and dedicated to the Chinese who died assisting the Allies during World War I and World War II. The inscriptions of lentil reeds in memory of the Chinese who died loyal to the Allied cause in the wars of 1914 and 1918 to 1939-1945. So the granite art in the shape of Paifang was erected in 1928. Reference to the Second World War was added later. Wow, so napakaganda ng kanilang history, ang kanilang memories na itinatag dito sa ological. So hindi siya nasayang kasi nga nakita natin yung super ganda nitong botanical garden, guys. A lot of beauties at saka yung mga flowers, garden na garden siya, and marirelax ka, especially kung you are alone or nagmumuni-muni. So just come over here, take a look, a lots of flowers, species, and also some of the animals na nandyan lahat. I don't say, I'm sorry, not really a lot, but some of them na pwedeng ilagay dito sa zoological. Nakita nito tong flower, guys, look like Paris, diba? So mayroon siyang legs, may pakpak. So nung makita ko to, sabi ko, wow, ang ganda siya, parang fairies. Kaya talagang pinokus-focus ko talaga yung camera sa kanya. And like this, kasi bibihira tayo makakita ng ganito na mga orchids na may mga ganitong shape. It was beautiful. So talagang pinaulit-ulit. And look at that. So beautiful talaga. So na-amaze ako sa mga bulaklak na nandito sa botanical. Super. Ang ganda talaga. See? Ang ganda po. There are more than 1,000 species of plants and garden, mostly in indigenous tropical tropical regions. Include some rare species like dawn redwood in the local ailatus. Beside this, some species which can produce flowers throughout the year can also be found there. So we are here now in the flamingos, guys. Take a look. And this is the flamingos. So the size of the garden preloads the keeping of very large flamingos species as meron din dito daw giraffes. Nevertheless, the collection of primates in varied including sa divers. So marami tayong makikita dito. May just like orangutan, tapos may ring-tailed lemur, black and white wrap lemur apart from the plants. At saka meron din diyang African spurred tortoise. Tapos meron din silang Chinese alligator. Meron dyan. Tapos Malayan peacock. At saka yung black face spoon-bill na nag-o-open yung kanyang mouth. So, napakalawak talaga. So, look at this, guys. Camellia garden. So, puro siya camellia. So, different color, different shape. At ito yata yung iba't ibang klase ng camellia. So, napakaganda, guys. Yung pagpasok dito sa botanical garden in the heart of mid-levels in Hong Kong. So, allowing a respite and nice start to the day na nanonotice natin na marami ding mga locals. Sometimes, maybe weekend, stretching and jogging along the safe paths. And many puppies come coming from their morning walk. So, ginagawa rin palang walking. At saka syempre makikita natin dito some of the foreigner people na ginagawa nilang mag sunbathing, magpainit under the sun. Sobra guys. So, especially pag summer, nako, sobrang init talaga yan, part ng dito. And the beautiful flowers na I think meron din tayo sa Pilipinas nito. So, as you can see that I'm going to imot-imot in there also. It's nice, quite beautiful guys talaga. Amazing. So, ang makikita rin natin dito is maintain yung yung clean and well talaga. Clean and well maintained talaga yung place. At saka, yan, walang bayad papunta dito. Especially itong nakikita natin na bamboo trees. Surrounded by bamboo trees. So, meron din siyang area talaga bamboo trees. Bamboo trees is one of the most plant also from the Chinese na talagang iniingatan nila. At pagka marami daw kasing trees is parang wish luck din sa kanila, parang ganun. Yun lang minsan is not good looking kapag marami yung mga especially day off na ginagawa nilang park na they going to have the lunch break. So meron naman siyang mga upuan dyan, pero mas gusto nilang maglatag sa gitna ng kalawakan ng bamboo trees. And also, itong botanical park is nearby to the Peak Tram also. Nice to walk around before getting on Peak Tram. And there are some other side, meron yung monkeys and birds beside Arboretum, a nice respite from urban Hong Kong. So, hindi pa natin napupuntahan yung side ng mga monkeys talaga. So, maybe next time if I have time, then gagawa natin ng way at paraan niya. And that's all for today guys. At bilang isang OFW at nandito po tayo sa ibang lupalop ng mundo. So, ibinabahagi ko lang sa inyo yung mga bagay at magagandang view na hindi natin nakikita, of course. So, ayan, at sana nagustuhan ninyo and thank you so much sa palagi sa pagpapalo ng channel ko.